Hello friends, today we will discuss about computer output devices. Output devices are used to display the data that we enter into a computer and the results that we get after processing. Once the process has done its job, the information produced is available in the binary form in the memory. Before this is presented to the user, it has to be converted into human readable form. Generally, there are two types of output. First one is hard copy and second one is soft copy. And now we are discussing about monitor. Monitor is an output device. The most common output device is monitor. It looks like a television. The output that we get on a monitor is called the soft copy. There are three types of monitor, that is CRT monitor, LCD monitors, LED monitors, and monitors are also known as video display units. This is the standard output device. And here we are discussing about CRT, cathode ray tube. Monitors are generally less expensive but consumes more electricity. This is a picture of CRT monitors. And next, both CRT and LCD monitors produce clear images, but LCD monitors have an advantage of being much thinner, lighter, and consume less electricity. The third type of monitors are LED monitors. These monitors look more or less the same as LCD monitors. And next one is speakers. Speakers are the output devices that are used to listen to music and sound effects from the computer. These may be built into the CPU cabinet or connected with the cables to the CPU cabinet. Speakers is commonly used in every field, everywhere, every home. Everyone is using speakers to listen the music, to listening the latest videos, songs, etc. And now we are discussing about the printers. It is an important part of a computer system. It prints the output onto the paper. The printed copy is called the hard copy. The most commonly used printers are dot matrix printers, inkjet printers, and laser printers. So there are two types of printer, that is impact printer and non-impact printers. Impact printers are line printer, character printers, and non-impact printers are inkjet printer and laser printer. And this is the dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer works like a typewriter and creates an impression by striking its printing head on the paper. It is very noisy and does not produce quality output. It gives the output only in black and white color. This printer is used to take prints but it takes a lot of time to print the data. And now this is the inkjet printer. Inkjet printer sprays droplets of ink on the paper to form the text and graphics. It is ideal for routine business works and personal documents. It can give the output both in black and white and in colors. It produces high quality prints when used with the special paper. This is called the inkjet printer, and inkjet printer is most commonly used. The laser printer is the next printer which we are here discussing about it. The laser printers uses laser beams and dry ink to print. It is used mainly in publishing houses. It prints very fast and gives high quality output. Some printers also work like a photocopier machine. The laser printer costs more than the inkjet printer. They are more expensive to buy and maintain than the others. And this is the 3D printer. 3D printers are remarkable machines that can make everyday things in different materials. In all forms, various objects are created in 3D using additive processes. In this process, an object is created by laying down successive layers of materials until an object is entirely made. In comparison, 3D printers are much costlier than the other printers. This printer is mainly used in robotics. Nowadays, in every school, this printer is shown to the kids in robotic labs. So friends, thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.